uh, when dealing with Joint Commission, DMV, or surveyors or what have you, when they come in, one of the biggest things that they love to stress is, can you show tangible proof that there's consistency in all your processes? And can you validate that you're actually doing what you're saying you're doing? And I mean, this definitely goes into,
That's
sterilization,
core.
disinfecting. Right. I mean, I think that's partially where the whole plastic bag over medical equipment started. Is they're like, well, how are you able to identify that this equipment was cleaned? And for some reason, we ended up with the prospect of, oh, if it has a trash bag over it, it's got to be cleaned properly. I always bring this up just because it's one of the most silliest things that I've ever come across in my career. But, what other solution out there was proposed that could be done across the United States that everybody would recognize as, this equipment's clean? Even though we could probably do tags and all kinds of other things. But